SMTC rallies to a gain of 6.46% in this session of the 8th of June 2023. All of these are in the hopes of improving results as a new CEO comes on board. So Semiconductor and Connectivity Component Provider, SMTC or Semtech, is still contending with high inventory levels and soft demand across most of its end markets, but it delivered better than feared quarterly results, beating first quarter top and bottom line estimates as revenue increased 17% year over year. In the prior two quarters, SMT's revenue fell by 12% and 9% respectively. The company is coming off a rough fourth quarter report in which it guided first quarter earnings per share well below expectations, putting the stock on a path to descend to multi-year lows by early May. Sentiment didn't brighten much ahead of SMT's earnings report, although the combination of its inline second quarter earnings per share guidance, some positive commentary regarding its recent acquisition of Sierra Wireless, and an upcoming CEO transition has investors feeling hopeful. On that last point, SMTC announced the appointment of Paul Pickle as its new president and CEO on the 30th of May, who comes over from IoT company Lantronix, where he served as CEO. He will take the reins from Maheswaran, who will be retiring after 17 years as SMT's CEO. So furthermore, Mr. Pickle's experience in the industrial IoT field is a good match for SMT's growth strategy. On that note, SMT's acquisition of Sierra Wireless, which it expects will add approximately $100 million of high-margin IoT cloud services recurring revenue, is progressing ahead of plan. After completing the acquisition on the 12th of January 2023, SMTC is seeing a substantial contribution from Sierra Wireless. In the first quarter, total IoT revenue soared by 170% sequentially to $159 million, mainly due to the inclusion of Sierra Wireless's business, which includes routers, modules, and Sierra's managed connectivity business. During the earnings call, outgoing CEO Maheswaran commented that the signages from the acquisition are ahead of plan and that the acquisition is still expected to be accretive to earnings in the financial year of 2024. For the organic Semtech business, conditions are still weak as revenue for its high-end consumer and infrastructure segments declined by 15% and 30% quarter over quarter, respectively. The silver lining is that the company is anticipating a strong half in its data center business, part of the infrastructure segment, due to improving design wins in the North American market. So what really caught investors' attention, though, is that Mr. Maheswaran's comment that AI is driving significant demand at hyperscalers, creating more opportunities for SMT's SIP, that is a signal integrity portfolio, as data center buildouts accelerate. Overall, SMTC's results and outlook were less than extraordinary, but they do represent a step in the right direction. The hope is that the incoming CEO Paul Pickle can build on the improved performance by driving stronger growth from the IoT business while potentially reducing SMT's cost structure. So right now the gain is 6.71%. This is the daily chart. So the stock has been showing strength after reaching its this 52-week low of $18.05 as of the 4th of May. Has continued to show strength since that time, as you can all see. Okay, so on this daily chart, it has an upper projection of $32.45, but downward projection of 22.96, just slightly below where it is trading right now. And after that, we have a downward projection of 19.36. After that, 17.24, all the way towards 7.5 $7.75. This is the daily chart. So let's look at the weekly chart and see. Sometimes we get more ambitious projections there. So upper projection on the weekly chart from where it is currently is okay. It's currently trading at one of its Fibonacci projections, which is $23.93. So it has an upper projection from there towards 25.60, and then we have 27.82, and then most extreme upper projection of 34.02 on the weekly chart. So, but there are indeed the downward projections. 22.94, 21.61, 20.29, and 17.85. Then the most extreme downward one is $11.87. But before, let's see what's on the 1 minute chart. So we have on the 1 minute chart, we have upper projections of 24.1 downward, the most extreme downward projection of 23.55. Let's see what the short interest is. SMTC short interest. Let's see what the short interest is for SMTC. It doesn't look like it's going to be a lot. 12.79%. So that's quite decent. That's quite harmful. That's a handful. That's a reasonable amount of short interest. So yeah, SMTC, things are looking good so far. It has since for at least for the best part of 1 month, it has continued to show strength. For the best part of 1 month, it has continued to show strength. So SMTC stock improving, showing strength. See what you make of it. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.